Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to add a header to Google Docs. First, open the document you are working on, ensuring it is ready for editing. Navigate your cursor to the very top margin of the page, where the header typically resides. You will notice the cursor changes slightly, indicating an editable area. Double-click this top section of the page to activate the header editing mode. This action will open a designated space for your header content. Once you have double-clicked, a distinct blue line will appear across the top of your document, marking the header boundary. You will also see the word header clearly displayed, confirming that you are now in the correct editing mode. This space is where you can begin typing any text you want to appear at the top of every page. Google Docs automatically creates this dedicated area for your header content, making it simple to get started. Now that you are in header mode, you can customize its content. Simply type any text you want, like a document title or your name. To add automatic page numbers, go to the Insert menu at the top, select Page Numbers, and choose your preferred style. You can easily format this text, just like regular body text, by changing its font, size, or color, and adjusting its alignment to left, center, or right. This gives you full control over its appearance. Google Docs offers advanced header options too. If you need a different header for your first page, check the Different First Page box within the header menu. To remove a header, simply highlight and delete all the text within the header area while in editing mode. You can also adjust header margins and other settings using the Small Options drop-down that appears when the header is active, providing flexibility for your document's layout. This ensures your document looks exactly how you envision it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.